In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Dondy WhatsApp Marketing Shopify app. To get started, you will first open your Shopify admin. This is where all your store settings, products, and apps are managed. When you are on your Shopify homepage, look for the place where you can access the dashboard, usually labeled Admin or Manage. Once you enter the admin area, take a moment to confirm you are on the main backend screen because the next steps depend on being in the correct menu. Now that you are inside Shopify admin, the next thing you will do is go to the Apps area. In most Shopify admin views, there is a section in the left sidebar or a navigation menu that includes apps. Click into that area so you can browse available applications and manage installed tools. This step matters because the Dondy app must be found and installed from the apps listing, not from the product or settings pages. After you have opened the apps section, you will search for the Dondy app. Look for the search field or search bar on the apps page. It may be labeled Search Apps or simply Search. Then type Dondy WhatsApp Marketing plus Chat into the search box. Make sure you use the same wording as shown, since it helps Shopify return the correct result. You should then see a matching app appear in the search results. At this point, you should review what you are about to install. Click on the correct app listing that includes Dondy WhatsApp Marketing plus Chat. Take a second to confirm you are on the right app page, since there may be similarly named tools. Once you have selected the right listing, you are ready for the installation step, which brings the app into your Shopify store. Next, click the Install button. This is the action that begins the app installation process. Shopify may show a brief loading screen, and it might also ask for permission details as part of the installation flow. If you see permission information, take a moment to read through it so you understand what access the app will have. This helps you feel confident before moving forward. Once you click Install and the process completes, you will return to the Apps area. At that moment, you should see confirmation that the app has been added to your store, often reflected by the app appearing in your installed apps list. If the page refreshes, give it a few seconds so the status can update. Installation completion is important because the app will not be usable until it is fully connected to your Shopify account. Now that Dondy is installed, you have successfully completed the core setup steps shown in this tutorial. The app should now be accessible from your Shopify admin within the app's interface. From here, you would typically continue with whatever configuration steps are included in the app itself, but this specific video covers the installation process up to having the app properly added. To make sure everything is correct, quickly double-check that the app is visible in the installed apps list and that you can open its page. If it does not show right away, try refreshing the apps page once. When you see it there, you can be confident that the installation step has worked as expected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.